Hello, 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 hello. Okay, now things looks. Maybe you should be able to hear me now. Yes. Okay. So let me connect my wireless microphone. Hello, 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 hello. What I was saying is, it's been a long time. I think it's mostly been a month. I have streamed exactly. So I got a Meta Quest 3. I wanted to test it. Something happened to my camera. It's recognizing it. Let me turn it off and turn it on. It was $350, bro. I got it in a deal. Trying to, yeah, now the camera is up. Okay. Let's use this microphone. Okay. Yes, well, why? I like playing VR games on VR. VR development. I no worries. But for now, let me go and check. Where is my overlay section? And from here, there should be a microphone. I wanted to just change it to my this one. Can you hear me now? Hello. This would be a much different microphone. Make VR apps. I don't think I'm going to keep it for that long. I wanted to use it for productivity, but it's not that great. The reasons are sounds good. Okay, so I'll just show you how it works for development currently. Okay, one second. I'll go get my VR. Do you mind switching my screen? It's showing my face instead. Okay, this makes sense. This makes sense. All right. Why is my bot not working? I guess something's wrong with him. I'm sure it's been a month, so something might have been broken. Who knows? Okay, I can see the screen. But before that, yeah, connect. But my only worries is I don't think you guys can see the screen the moment I switch it to my screen. So for now, let's try to figure out a solution for that. Okay. There should be a website where no, I was inactive for almost a month. Meta, I think it's horizon.meta.com/ I forgot how to cast this. Your browser doesn't support casting. Strange. Okay, now it looks good. There should be a setting, bro, one somewhere. Where is the settings? It should be right here. No, that's not settings. Oh, right here. Okay. And in here we should see cast. Okay, and then okay, I found the URL now. Okay, and it should be this one. Okay, now you guys should be able to see what I'm seeing. But before that, where is my mouse? I'll bring it over here. Does it? How does it look? Okay, that's my VR. Let me go to immersion mode now. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is my keyboard. I can see my keyboard and mouse while working, obviously. Let me move it a little bit back. It's way too close. Are you guys able to see? Yep. But I don't. There is one problem. I cannot see the chat. Maybe let's open a chat window. Can you come up close, please? Okay. Still getting used to it. It's only been 2 days. And there you go. That's my link. That's my channel. I don't have anything in my hands. It tracks my hand. Oh, not reactions. Oh, not reactions, dude. Pop-up chat. Okay, now this looks fine. I don't want to waste my... Okay, now I can see the chat. But let's move it to somewhere else. I don't think... Yep, this is fine. I'll move it to the next... to my left. That's how I can read my chat. This is just Horizon things, I guess. Let's close it. So these are the controls. This is how exactly it looks in my eyes, to my eyes. And there is this immersion mode. If I disable it, I can see my screen back. That's how it's going to be. My only worry is why is there no Relangi Mama? Let me... Where is my phone? Oh, there is my phone. Come here, please. Oh. You guys didn't see it. Only I'm seeing it. Okay. Where is my YouTube? YouTube. Oh, now I got YouTube notification. So in here, let's see. I don't know if I can... Okay, that response is... I mean, looks like the commands are working, but for some reason, it might not be. Relangi Mama cannot respond. It's okay. Where were you? I thought you got married in the marriage season. No, dude. No, dude. I went on a trip on November 20th, exactly today. And then I came back on December 2nd. After that, the house was full of people. Till yesterday. So I'm just chilling now. I'll be only streaming till Sunday. No, dude, it's just a trip with friends. I'll be streaming till Sunday, and then after Sunday, there will be more people coming to the home. So I won't be streaming again. So today and tomorrow, we got 2 days. So let's use this VR as much as we want. Okay, I'm closing this section. Let's go immersion. Nice. Wow. So what do you guys want me to test? I'm sure I think I can stream from my VR itself, but I don't know how. Who is a special guest? Full of people. I mean, friends, something like that. I really love this game, bro. I enjoyed it a lot. Let's bring it a little bit closer. Can you play Vice City on VR? We can do movie mode or something like that, but the game needs to be supported in VR. I mean, the controllers and etc. I know you're still just joking, but who knows? So this is how the YouTube thing looks. Well, I want to open that screen. YouTube home. We can search. Let's watch my own stream. How does it look? Oh, no, 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 no. Where is the live section? Yep.
Excuse me, Miss Retta, how do I treat yourself? Well, you could mix and match medium specialty pizza for $9.99 each.
Let me. Oh, it's looping.
Oh, it's looping.
Okay. Guess we have to watch something else other than my video. We are Inception. There are a lot of games, I know, but the only problem I'm not using Windows is the moment I connect to my Windows, I don't know if you guys can still see the screen. So for now, let's try that. We can place it anywhere we want. So come here a little bit. Okay. See how big is it? Beautiful. Maybe we can place the chat section on the top. Somewhere here. Then I don't need this one. I kind of forgot how to close it. There should be a button how to close it. There should be one. Okay. So there should be an app called Windows Link or something. For that, I need to able to click on that. All I have to do is just look at to my hands and hold. Okay, now it just resets, and we click this one. It should be Windows app now. There should be remote desktop. Remote desktop. If you see it before me, just let me know. Remote desktop. Okay. Is this the one? Okay. Remote desktop. Okay, and Windows. I just don't want my screen to go away. That's the one. Oh, this is getting again Inception mode. Okay, now it's fine. Let me. How can I close this one? Close this one, please. Uh, okay, this might be better. Just go away, dude. Why are you open? I don't know which app is this. Okay, that's definitely not the one. Okay, for now, stay away from me. You go there. Okay. This is bad. Maybe which one should I pick? Can I close this one separately? Yes. So maybe if I press this, it closes the entire thing. I have an extra thumb. Will VR show an extra thumb if I wear it? No, that's not how it works. I don't think I can do VR kind of experiment. Either I have to, maybe if I can only do it from my streaming PC itself instead of my gaming PC, then that would be great. So give me one moment. I'll try to do that. For now, let's keep it here. Close this. What I was trying to say is, in order for us to see like a remote VR desk development, then something needs to be changed. I don't know why the bot is not working, so let me try restarting it. Give me just a moment. Does it cause headaches? I don't. Nothing for me. It's fine. But do you feel nausea when you're sitting in a car? If you're feeling like it, then you might be having a tough time using a VR. See, I don't know why Railing Mama is not working. Okay, so what I'm about to do now is connect to my streaming PC and have a browser open. Okay, let me connect as a browser. Meta horizon.meta.com casting. Okay. Why does it say login to cast? Yeah, just log into it. Started Python a few days back from Bro's Code, new 12 hours Python course, later doing a CS 550p, lecture 4 to 9, and then fast API and web scraping, later pandas, numpy, etc. and Gen AI, then later what? The highest package of the decade. What else you need, bro? horizon.meta.com/casting. It still says login. Cannot log in with Instagram. Okay, looks like I would be receiving a code. E8599. Okay, now it looks good. Let me, instead of my Elgato, I will be using browser source. No, capture window, sorry. Window capture, yes. Did you learn coding along with the lecture or just reading docs? I would not watch videos or lectures, bro. I would just do whatever I want. So if you're trying to build an app, that's when I started to learn app development. There should always be a motivation for me. If not, I just cannot learn. Okay, that's fine. Does it look good? Okay. Now let's connect it. Okay. See the chat. So let's keep it somewhere over there. This should be fine. And then I don't know how to close this one, bro. So where is the USB cable? There should be a USB. Who is using this one? Hey Manish, welcome. Once again. Okay, now it's linked. Okay, let me tighten it up a little bit. Okay, looks good. Where is the settings app? Okay, let's hold it. Okay, now we go to settings and we go to link. Yes. Why does it not work? Oh, probably I might need to open the Horizon link or something. Can you go away, please? Stay there. Oh, let me first cast. It should show up anytime. It should show up anytime. I guess it's showing. Let me do a full screen. Okay. Cool. So far so good. Nice. Okay, now let's work with this one. There should be an app, bro, for connecting the desktop. Link, no. Meta, no. Horizon, yeah, Meta Horizon link. Okay. Welcome. Hi Manish. Does it take this long to open the app? Why does it take this long, dude? Oh, bro, after a long time, yes, exactly a month. Okay, now it's up. It's, I don't know if that is matters. Connected meets requirement, then pair it, bro. Okay. Ooh, that's my hand. Okay. So I guess I need my controllers now. 1 second, I'll go get my controllers. They are just, you finally got your password. Okay, I got my controllers. 1 second. Now let me go back to VR mode. So if it's definitely not my VR. This seems like my controllers. Okay, so I need to go desktop, monitor 1. This is my monitor 1. Close. What is 3? Okay, let's mute this one. I don't want to. Let's have it somewhere else. I can rearrange this stuff, but I kind. Okay, now I know. Okay. Oh no. Okay, let's make sure I don't hit something. Let me keep it there. Okay, that's fine. That's my main. I don't know how to close this one. Kind of forgot. Earling? No. Explore? No. Library. Which one is open here? Settings? Oh. So what is author editor? Okay, cancel. Hey, how can I close this? Probably this one? No. Oh, wonderful. So what do we do? Is my screen still active? Looks like it. Okay. So let's keep it somewhere there. Yeah, nice. So let's have one monitor, whichever it is. This seems fine. So this should sit here. Cool. Probably this is my primary monitor, so let's keep it here. And then this is my third monitor. Let's keep it up here. This is like watching my live. You guys can clearly see what I'm doing. Oh, looks like the casting is gone. I didn't know this would happen. Okay, let me try. Oh, so basically when I do that, I think it's going to go away. I didn't know the moment we connect this, the rest of the things would go away. I don't know if it would still work. Bahubali Rage VFX. Okay. Let me see my. Okay. I have to make it a full screen so that you guys can also see. Okay. Full screen enabled. Let's go. Resume. Nice. I wanted to see what is monitor 1 and what is monitor 2. Okay, now everything looks good, I guess. You guys can also see what I'm doing. So let me keep it there, up above a little bit. Okay, so this looks like my main monitor. So I'll set it up here. Wonderful, nice. Okay, this is my controlling dock section. This is how it looks. So this Airlink, you don't have to connect a wire, but once you connect a wire, you get much more higher quality and obviously battery charging, etc. As I cannot really see where my mouse is, I'm trying to search for it. I don't know where did I keep my controllers, but that looks fine. Oh, I found my keyboard. Okay. Okay, let's do some VS Code things. I don't see much delay. I think probably 5 seconds. I'm trying to find my perfect keyboard layout. Okay. VS. Oh, I missed the letter. Okay. Probably I need to bring it close. No. Maybe a little bit wider. Okay. Oh, why did it open that screen? I was expecting it to open in here. I see my mouse. Okay, this looks fine. So I was working on 2 different projects while I wasn't streaming. This is not the one. Let me open that. I'm sure I had another one. One more monitor here. It's okay. Did something go wrong or looks like it crashed or something. Probably it crashed. So reset. Where is the chat window? Okay. This chat window is enough. Honestly, I'm thinking to just play some games instead of doing this development thing because I know that this is not that much perfect. Okay, the link is still active, so that's fine. Let's keep it for a while. How many of you are okay with me playing a game? Is it completely dead? Hello? I'm trying to turn it on. Okay. Okay, looks like it's powered on now. Okay, now it's powered on. Let me quickly try to cast. Okay, looks like the casting is applied. So, guys, let's be simple. Let's just play some games, okay? Let's just play some games. Don't connect to anything. This is a good game. No. You guys can still see? Yes. A little bit to the right. How is the sound and everything? Just let me know. I'll go and stand there maybe. That's my bed, by the way. Oh, I think I took some damage. Is there any chat message? No. Oh. Oh. No, get out. Huh. I just broke my entire wall. Let's try for hey, headshot. Not much into shotguns, bro. Oh. Oh shoot. Time for some heals. Yeah, that's my stack. Yeah. This is my room actually. That's the wall. I just broke my entire wall. So they're coming from everywhere. Is there any chat message? Yes, that's my chat. Yes.
Round 5.
Okay. Ooh. Oh. I need to take some heals. Huh.
Round 6.
Yes, this is the parameter. This is my room. My room itself is a parameter. I can still walk and go close to them But I know that there is a... Oh! This... Oh. Let's be a little bit quicker. Oh. Whew. Definitely need some heals. Oh. Oh. A little bit closer. Yep. Okay. Definitely need some heals. Oh, it's done.
Round 8.
Not done any chat messages. Does it have haptics? Yes, it does. It does. Yes, it does. There is much better game than this. I'll show you. Oh. I mean, when I'm shooting, I can... Obviously, there won't be any recoil. That's not possible. Oh. Just aim for heads. Aim for heads. Tried my best. You can still switch to my exclamation face, and you can see me goofing around in my room, if that's what you want to see. There is a much better game I'm going to show you. No, not at all. It's fine. Okay, so I'll show you a much more realistic game. It's too difficult for me, so let me go into a place where I can stand. This seems fine. But the problem is I cannot see anything other than this game. Deploy. I cannot see my chat or anything, so maybe I can have my phone here. It knows if I'm going outside of my boundary. It shows like a red sign, like you can see. If I put my head against this, I can see my screen. But I have to go back to the world. For now, let's just... I did play a multiplayer match yesterday. This is a very good game. This is a very good game. Not good with snipers. Which one should we use? I'll use this one. It has a 4x HCOG. I think one of them was really good. Okay, this one is fine. And then, is that right? Muzzle, vertical grip, yes. And then equip. So these are my hands. I can pick my gun like this. I have to reload myself. As you can see, there are bullets enough. And then I have to pull this and hold my weapon like this. Once we can see there is a sound that indicates that I'm out of bullets. I have to remove it, throw it away, take another mag. Oh no! If I drop it, I have to pick it up. Okay, and then place it in. Still, it won't work. Why? Because I have to pull this. Now it works. And then if I pull it again, a bullet drops. We can still set. So if we set this, we can do a tap shot. I think this is the one. Much better. We can walk around this way, but obviously we shouldn't be moving in a small room. We can do a little bit of peeking. And obviously the moment he touches the thing here, we can see I cannot go beyond this. Looks like there's nothing there. Out of bullets. And I can place it back and take out my knife or my pistol. This is a flashlight. I kind of forgot how to turn it on. Yeah, that's how it is. Off, on, off, on. Out of bullets, obviously just take out the mag, throw it away. And there should be, these are the pistol mags. You have to do that pull thing and then continue. Isn't it nice? So let me, where I want to see some chat. Let me just carefully walk to my boundaries. Looks like that's my boundary. Okay, I don't know which way. Okay, I'm good. Okay. Oh, Iconic, welcome to the stream, bro. No. Welcome to the stream. Hi. This is how I have to read my chat. I can't do more than this. Okay, I'll go into my world again. Nice. There are multiplayer games based on this. Oh, out of bullets. I do have bullets. Probably I have to do this. I still have bullets. Completely empty. Throw it away. I don't need two of them. Just need one. So the thing is, we can like share ammo to the other teammates if we want to. Isn't it nice? Let's play some single player mode. I'm thinking to have my phone near me so that I can see my chat under the VR screen. Let me carefully walk to my area. I think this is the... Yep, okay. Rich boy, dude, it was on Discord, bro. It was on Discord. Okay, I'll have my chat screen something like this. What do you guys think? Okay, cool. I'll have my phone so that I can kind of see my chat from here. The speak commands would work, but I wouldn't be able to hear them, Iconic. A little bit right. Okay, single player. This is really tough, man. Yesterday I tried my best, but it's really tough.
Wave start. Get ready.
I'm trying to find some cover. Okay. We'll sit behind this. Dude, where is he? I'm dead already. Okay, yeah, equip. Okay, take that ammo. I have to walk inside it or what? Uh, I'm too slow. Where are the enemies? I mean, this is a good position. The problem was not the position. It's maybe this one is better.
Wave start. Get ready.
Okay. I can't aim shit, man. There's one more coming. Where is the ammo? Oh, I'm not going that way. I'm not even. I don't even want to try.
Start.
Okay, we've started. There's no one behind me. That's nice. Trying to go for the headshots. Oh, out of ammo, bro. Oh, they're right in front of me. Ready. Oh. Where is the ammo? I need ammo. Okay. Oh, I'm too slow.
Start.
Oh, yeah. That's what it is. Okay, I'm somewhere else. Move it away. Why do not? Try the thing away. Good cover. Okay. Even on a discount, we can't buy it with daddy's money. Okay, there are a lot more games than this, and it's really awesome. Let's try some slingshot, like Spider-Man kind of feel. Are there any other chat messages, or do I have to scroll? Trying to connect the gaming PC. Yes. Why is it? Why are you not using your side, bro? It's not that easy, man. I have to align perfectly fine. Okay, I like this game. Slingshot is wonderful. Okay. Oh, not that way. Oh, yep. Oh, there is something. See, this is my kind of a game. Yeah. Let's fly. Fly. Ooh. Discount. Oh, discount. I have to learn how to aim with this thing. Ooh. I don't know what you guys are saying, but this game is really awesome, man. No, that way. Yeah. Okay, now this way. Now this way. Now this way. I think I'm getting a grasp of it. Yes. Yes. Height. Out. I pull it out. Okay, and then go there. Pull. Take this one. Pull. Oh, okay, nice. Let's try going for that building. Oh, not up above, yes. Okay, this is not real. Hey, the graphics look so real, man. Nice. What is this one? Oh. Yeah, this is Spider-Man kind of thing. Hey, I can see the chat in this way, bro. I don't have to compromise it. So this guy is a very bad person. Can I react to it? Can I react to it? No. Yeah, nice. Oh, okay. Get back to basics. Iconic. L. Let's see. There are a lot more games, bro. This boxing one is good as well. I can show it to you. Come on, Iconic. See, we have to hit him. Oh. Oh, dude. How are you guys feeling? Bored? There is an archery type kind of a game as well. Ah, this ain't bro is bicycling with his hands instead of boxing. It's a VR game, bro. Relax. Hey, this one is fun. Why is the chat not updating here? Oh, I have to scroll. Too bad. Can you go stay there? Oh, I can't touch it. Okay, everything looks good. Let's see this one. Oh, where am I? Play medieval game with swords. I don't think I have that game. If you know any, oh, if you know any game, just let me know. I'll try to look for it. Hey, by the way, this is my room, bro. This is the box it came in. This is a new bag I got. This is my bed. You yes can't hear it. Oh, you can't hear the sound. Why? Oh, with sounds it's really much better. Should we get back to coding instead? Yeah, there are a lot of stuff. This is the screwdrivers. That's the container where I hold all my things. Obviously, my lovely keyboard. This is the one I got recently. This is the where I went on a trip. This interesting, isn't it? So there are a lot more things we can do. Obviously, with our hands itself, we don't need that controller. Hmm. I guess it's better to just take the controller. We can play, or should I get back on my desk? How is it, guys? How is it? Is it any good or is it bad? You stay there. You stay there. Okay, nice. This is much more clarity than this one. What is AR and VR? Yeah, entertainment stuff, but cool. If you can connect it to a PC and code it, yeah, we can. But the only I'm worried is I cannot see any of this, but I can show you what I'm currently working on Iconic. Maybe you can share some tips. We have that, but we cannot have like a coding session. It's the moment you connect it to your Windows. Currently, I have like 3 monitors. I can see all of them, the same one. I'll show it to you. So there are 2 apps. One is this Windows app, and one is this remote desktop. And there is the third one, which is Meta's own link. For that, I need to go to the setting. Oh, this one is the setting, sorry. Okay, and then link. Looks like it's already linked. And then just launch it. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, this is the best it can do. And all I need to do is just... This is one desktop. Okay. I can move it a little bit behind me. It's way too close. That's nice. I don't know how to turn this thing off. Is this one? No. What is this one? Add a desktop panel. So now we can just add whatever window we want. So we can, I don't know how many we can add, but looks like we can add a lot more. Okay. So this goes one desktop, but we can add a panel. So let me add all my desktops. So this is monitor 1. That means I do have monitor 2. Where is it? Okay, this is monitor 2. What is not showing the what? Oh, the cast is gone. That's the problem. The moment I connect this, for some reason, it's gone. Let me go back one second. Maybe I can try the so in that screen, that's the best way you can can I cast from my phone instead of this one? I'm just trying my best. Okay, now the cast is working. So let me see if I open this and launch, what happens. Does it just go away? Oh, using link will disable cache. Oh, that's the problem. So if I connect this, the cache will go away. So let's try using the desktop instead of the link, as this is a separate application, so I don't think that should be causing any issues. Where is the chat screen? You okay, stay there, and let's minimize it a little bit. That's fine, that's nice. Also, where is my mouse? I'm supposed to make a full screen out of this. Hey, where is my mouse? Okay, right, I found my mouse. It's full screen, nice. Okay. Yeah, good, nice. Okay, now we can do this. It looks like that's the application. Let's close all these. I don't need this browser session. You close. I definitely need the chat window, so let's keep it open. Is everything opening on that section? I don't need, what is this one? Oh, this is the desktop. Okay, I can keep it here. So this can stay there. This is my, let's say this is my primary. We can add another one if it only let me add a display. Okay, let's wait for it to connect, and then let's keep it there for now. Let's rearrange all these things. Why isn't it working? Okay, then keep it there. That's fine. And I need to set this one up. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's see what I can do with this one. I'll come a little bit down, please. Okay. Okay, let's move it probably there. That's fine. Okay. Where is the chat window? I do see the chat window. Let's keep it up there. A little bit taller so that I can see the previous messages. Everything's good. So that's how it is. I can connect how many monitors I have. So if I don't have an extra monitor, obviously we can see it doesn't allow me. So there needs to be a physical monitors. If you are using this application, if you are using link application, it doesn't matter how many monitors you have. You can do whatever you want. This is a resolution thing. Okay, let's keep them away and let's try to use the mouse and keyboard. Good. Oh, I can go into the, what do you call it, this way, and it only shows me my keyboard. Why is my hand up there? Okay. So Iconic, I have been I was working on this one application, bro. Oh, it's opening there. Yeah, as you can see, we have to add some things. Okay, just go away, please. Okay, nice. Okay, and once I'm done with my hands, I can just put them down and I can see my keyboard. So I have been working on this application and job application, Walmart scripts. These are all the same thing. Let me open the code. Oh, why is it opening in that screen? Okay. I can move this away and close this thing. It's fine. Close it. I definitely need that. So let's save it somewhere. And then have the browser. Yeah, right here. That's fine. It's fine. Everything looks good, I guess. Okay, let's check. Okay, the cast is still working. Okay. So this is what it does. We can go into these like full screen mode. Wonderful. And we can only work with this section. This is a much better experience, honestly. Complete dark. I can work like this. Just the one screen. Looks beautiful. I can bring it up close if I want to. Or I can just flatten my display, something like this. But the curve feels good. Obviously, I need to make some settings here. This is almost perfect. Okay. Compact, wide, that's fine. Close it away. What is this setting? I didn't really check it until now. Okay, cool. You can go stay there. Isn't this setup wonderful? I can open the chat and then watch the screen. So this is what I was doing. CD, I have my caps lock on. CD backend, and inside this, what was the one I was trying to do? Yes, it's something like UV. I think I forgot the command. I normally save it in the README file. Yep, this is the one. I like this, but I wish I can add one more monitor, dude. But why does it say Yeah, this stuff is too good for the posture. Yes, I agree. I agree. I still have to, learn a lot out of this. I didn't really explore that much. I just want you guys to also notice or to see. Let me just confirm if it's. Where is my hand? Right here. Okay. Hold it and drag it. Okay, the cast is still working, so that means you guys can clearly see. I wish I can add one more monitor, bro. It says that it's already added, but I didn't add any. What happens if I close these from here and then... Okay, I'm closing this from here. We'll see if I can add them. Okay, that's there, that's there, that's there. Let's see if I can add it inside this way. Why doesn't it let me add one more monitor, bro? So this is one limitation. If I have to do the casting, then there must be issues. But it's okay, one desktop. I don't think I'll be turning this much. You have to get out of the focus mode. Yeah, but I wanted to be in the focus mode. Focus mode is good. Why doesn't it stay there? Oh. Don't attach it to the black section, dude. It's attaching to this one. Oh, this is nice. I can change it to my width. And then comes this one. Okay, nice. Oh, wait a minute. I think I can add one more. Somehow. Okay. Hey, which screen am I in? The backend is up. Let me show you the front end. I'm using React Native, by the way, so don't judge me. Let me increase the brightness, whatever it is. That's, there you go. It's totally immersive. Let's loosen up. I'm not playing any games, so I think it should be fine. Okay, much better. Hey Jaypreet, welcome to the stream. Hello. Yeah, we are doing some VR development, bro. So this is how it looks. This is some kind of an expense manager, which I built, but it has a little bit more features. Again, the idea was to, what do you call it? To help myself, not to make out any money out of this product, but I'll show you what it does. So we can see this is the menus. We can go to the expenses, which shows all my expenses, and then items, imports. We can import from bank statements, and then the HTML receipts and receipt OCR. This is one thing which is what I truly wanted. Why? Because in a traditional application of expense manager, what I mostly saw is, okay, let's say I shop some things from Walmart. It shows Walmart $50, that's it. But in this $50, I might have got, like, let's say 2 breads, 5 bananas, like 2 electronics, 1 pair of clothes. So there are different categories. So I wanted to have a much more deep, what do you call it, categorized expenses, not just like Walmart, Amazon and stuff. What did I actually buy in Walmart? So for that, I wrote this code, and for a given transaction, we can add additional items, receipt items from this in 2 ways. One is obviously from via this HTML. If I press this, I can just import the HTML code from my Walmart account, or I can just take a photo of the OCR receipt, and it's going to transform that into the items. For that, I have been using this backend. Python, why? I thought about it. I want OCR support. That's the first thing I want, or we can say that's the top priority. Why is it? It doesn't have auto. Oh, careful. It's fine. So Python has the first class support for the OCR framework, so I had to use that one. And then obviously the rest of things is just pure API calls. I'm not using a database for Python. I'm using Superbase for login and almost everything else. What we can add tags, and we can just filter out. Oh, thank you. I do have this AI button. You see this? I'm using purely Olama based AI in the local, and that is the one which does the OCR processing as well. I take a picture, and then the Tesseract OCR, that's the one I'm using. It's way too up, bro. Let me bring it to the side. Ah, wonderful. So that OCR, what am I talking about? Yeah, the OCR first, the Tesseract, that's the one it's going to extract the text, and that isn't enough. We have to do some processing for that text. Yes. Are you guys able to see my screen or what? Oh. Hey, the thumbnail is next level editing, bro. Hey, this looks good, bro. If only I remove my own face, then it would be much better. So let's try doing that. Okay. Nice. Okay, so let's get back to what I was talking about. Oh, I closed my browser instead of this one. I can open it up again. Okay. I don't want you here. Yo, by the way, I got a first insurance. Congratulations. Where did you get it? I have to work a little bit on the UI side. It's still a bit low. Where did you get your internship, bro? I'm asking you. Indian Air Force. What? Are you serious? Hey, stay close to me. Hey. Okay. So this guy is a good guy. And oh, didn't want it to sign in. Go back. I didn't know Indian Air Force would be having like internships, bro. What language they would be using? C++? I shouldn't have moved it. But I like the feel of thing. Okay. Is there anything else you guys want to see? Python mostly, C++ here and there. Nice. I got a message. Oh, can't really see because the moment I see, you guys will also be able to see. I'm using React Native Expo. Why? Because I want to ultimately build this for the application, like mobile app and also the web app. I didn't want it to use two different languages for it, so that's one thing. It's almost 12 now. We can directly filter by category over here. So let's say I want to see fuel. Oh, I think that's the one I manually added. We can add rules. This is the one I also worked on. We can add rules. The moment I see this name, that means I can just directly add it as a tag. Primo. These are the rules. When you import statements from a bank or a OCR receipt, it understands that okay, these are those. This is import Excel. And then items. These are all the receipt items I have manually added. So I'll show you how it actually works. So let's say I want to filter all the tags which have Walmart. There's some UI things needs to be done. Wait. These are all my Walmart transactions. I can select one. As we can see, this already has the tag, so cancel. I think some of them doesn't have it. So 25 12 3 looks like. Let's see if I have the receipt. 25 12 3, yes. So I can just import the HTML for that. Can I get a free access of this app, please? Yes, sure. Now I can just open this. Oh, not this one. Yeah, this is the one. I'll just copy the HTML. I wrote a Python script to extract all my receipt because Walmart wouldn't let me download all my receipts. So I was like, okay, let me automate it then. So looks like I'm out of power. Something like that. Let me connect a charging wire. Okay. This goes from here. Oh, it's not long enough. Too sad. I can connect it directly to this one. Okay, nice. Okay, so let's see. How many? Yeah. Looks like it works. So extracted items. What is one? One is Primo. Probably this one is my gallon, and then this is the water can which I bought. So, no. I don't think so, dude. It's fine. I'm using it directly to the PC, so I'm not connecting it to an extremely powerful, things. So add all items, and we can see these are the two items. To confirm whether it did a good job or not, we can just select this one and see here. I got a Primo water cell thing, and that's the one. Cool. And press save. Add it. So let's add for this one. 12 3. Yeah, looks like I have already added, but oh, I added to the wrong. Oh, this is $50. This is not the right one. Okay. Then let's close it. Delete these and then add HTML. Looks like there are two of them then. Is this the Primo? Yeah, this is the Primo version. What is this one? Is this $50? 2.6? No. Probably I didn't download it or something might have happened. Oh, the dates are not formatted properly. Oh, okay. Looks like this is the version it used, the transaction ID. Oh, there should be a 612. There should be 68. Can I search inside a file? Does anyone know how can I search? (2025) 06 0 Still better safe than losing your eyesight permanently. See, I'm connecting to it to my PC. This cable, of course, does charge, but it doesn't charge as my like the 60-watt charger. I don't think I'll be using it forever, so it's fine. Just for today or 2 days after that, we'll see. Because having a thing right next to your face for too long, it hurts. Not as in hurts, but it's hard. I forgot how to search, honestly. 2025, what is the receipt date? It's 2025-012, okay. 2025-12. Why is it not searching? Okay, 06 has 3 resets. 8, and oh, probably this is the one. Probably this is the one. Is it in American font? I don't know. Oh, format, yes. I think the date is right. 25/12/6. I can't find that thing here, but I know there are. Probably I didn't download my December receipts. I think I only downloaded it till my November receipts. There is one December 12 here. It's fine. Let's skip that one thing and then proceed with the next one. So December 1st. Do I have it? I wish I can filter the filter. What is this one? Collapse all folders? No. Can I search? 2025-12. See, I do have those receipts. 2025-12/03. So let's go to what is this one and what is this one? There are 2 transactions that day. That's true. There are 2 transactions. I have done 2 transactions. I don't know which one this belongs to. So let's do a format. Okay, and then where is the total? Total is $1. So this probably is for my water bottle. No, this is the one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is copy this, and this is what this is another transaction. Yeah, 50.76. That's the one. 57. Okay, I'm going to just add the HTML here. It's this one. Included water. Yes. I bought like a 1 jug process. See, it's instant. In the background, there will be an Olama thing working. Probably. Yeah. Let's see. This is mixed reality. Okay. Butter ball, natural, green turkey, ting ting ting. And then I got a Quicksilver Walmart Book of the Year. That's a book. And fresh processed whole green cilantro bunch. Fresh tomatoes. And then fresh banana. I know there are a lot of spacing. Maybe I can fix it with the JavaScript inside the browser to not have that much space. Because it would be hard while searching. So the next process is obviously the code can understand that it's banana. What you are using? I'm using Superbase, probably Postgres SQL database. And then there is this one, fresh red onion. So my next concept is, as it can understand that, okay, these are fresh red onions, just add a category as groceries and set the tags as onions. So these things should be coming from AI, so that means these should be attached inside the Python backend here. So this is the backend, it's the health, whether I wanted to check whether it's active or not. This is the SQL databases for them. I'm not doing anything fancy so far. All the security related things are done by Superbase. There are no APIs connected to this. Other than this doesn't have any database directly connected. This doesn't have a user database. It's just for the processing of the receipts, the HTML, the AI. That's it. The entire login setup, everything is done by Superbase. So main.py, HTML receipt, yeah, this is the one. All I have to do now is process it. I have to go somewhere at 1 p.m. So let's do this some other time. But is there anything else you guys want me to try or show in this VR? Tomorrow I will stream again, and after that I won't be streaming for a long time. Hey, looks like it understand. Did I already apply that logic to remove the spaces? You'll have to create a pedantic model for it. I learned some things with this iconic. So I used Gemma, I used Llama, I used I think I used many different kinds of models for this AI thing. I understood that not all models do not act the same way. I had a lot of arguments with AI that, hey, you're wrong at this. So where is the models.py? Okay. Probably the configs. There should be a config file, config.py. Okay. So I tried different models, and later I have decided for the OCR, this model does a lot better job than Llama, Minstrel, Gemma. I even tried a different kind of a thing. And then for categorizing, Minstrel is doing a much better job. But for some reason, the AI editor, Gemma, does a lot better job than these two. So it looks like the models which they are trained on have a significance on how they output. And I like the output of the OCR by using Lava model. That's not Llama, that's Lava. Llama didn't really do a much job. It couldn't really understand what the location or dates. So each receipt have like a store name, and then the location, the time, and the transaction ID. It was considering the time as a transaction ID. Hey, Harish, welcome to the stream. Hi. I have an API that has a temperature, so it sticks close to what everything you want JSON format, same every time. Yeah, it's been a month, Harish. Welcome. We played some VR games today, and then I'm doing this VR code session. Are you joking? I didn't really modify my LLMs. I tried different LLMs and then found the one which works fine for me, and then just stick to it. The next is this one, the categorizer. It doesn't really have that much understanding, but the basic stuff like tomatoes, onions, bananas, chicken, obviously it can understand those. The next process is like trying to automate all the process. Obviously, I do not have the access to my bank accounts directly, like an API thing, or so that it can import all the transactions. I decided to do it monthly basis. So on every month end, I would upload the transactions myself, and then add the receipts to it. It does its processing, and eventually I would have like a much detailed transaction amount. So you can see I spent on groceries how much, these many dollars. I think there are charts as well somewhere. I don't know if I added it or not. So Indian stores, I have totally spent $1,000 on. What are you building now? I'm not. Can I get a look at docs? Which docs? I don't really have any docs for this. It also records how the transaction was added, so that I can see, okay, this was done from an Amex, my American Express card. Fast API docs, okay. I'm also using Fast API for this because I don't have anything complicated. I don't have a WebSocket. I don't have a database access as well. I just need AI processing, OCR processing, HTML processing. That's it. Robust get production ready code. Is it the docs or is it references? Which one is the docs? Interactive doc. Nice. I have no shame to admit I didn't understand what you're trying to say. No, dude, not this. Add docs to your backend URL. You want me to write documentation for my URL? Is that what you're talking about? I can make API try to use. Like, this is what it did, the previous one. So this is how it wrote the documentation. It's fast if you consider all the Python, Python backend frameworks. Yes, it's fast enough, but not as fast as like a C, Rust, or Go, Java. But if your API doesn't really have any limitation with processing, then you can absolutely use this fast API. Here the limitation is AI processing. There is no database connection as well. So it doesn't matter what language I use. Hey Exor, welcome to the stream. Welcome, bro. You got an upgrade. Yeah, just for a little while. I wanted to try this. Why is it auto dimming and then reapplying it? So which one are you talking about? This is the route. So let's say API. So these are the docs. These are all AI generated, dude. I didn't do much out of this. And I have done a lot of manual modifications in many functions. I don't think these were updated, but this works fine. We can see that I started working on it last week and then totally started using it. Yeah, this is the one. Yes, I did connect my API to the front end. My front end I'm using is the Expo app. So let me open that in that way. Okay, how can I move this thing away, dude? Nice. So I have a React Native Expo based front end so that I can just use it for all the other stuff as well. What host is running it? My PC. The AI model, everything is running on my server PC. That's that one. But for now, for development, obviously a local host. When I move around, what do you guys see? I didn't understand your question, Iconic. Frame it in a one big paragraph. What exactly you want to see? Asus laptop. This is not Asus laptop, bro. Oh, that Asus laptop is hosting another server, not this server. This one has to run an Olama model, so I don't think it's feasible to run it in my Asus laptop, which has like Asus monitor. No, this is G-Tech. This one is Asus. This one is Asus. These two are my work monitors. This one is mine, gaming, and this is Samsung 4K gaming monitor. But this is not mine. This is my phone. Oh, that's what you're talking about. Okay. Local host. Is this the one? I think mine is 5,000. Oh, now I understood. Okay. Now I understood. But I am sure I didn't turn it on. So let me turn that back and on. But invalid port. Why? Oh. Let's go 8,000. Oh, nice. I didn't know about this, bro. I didn't know about this. Nice. Thank you. Have a kiss. Yeah, kind of. I didn't know about this. But does it update all over the time, or do I have to manually update the docs? So what exactly is a name string total parameter? What is this one? What is the red string? Okay, let's try to take that look at there is API. There should be something like expense process. There is process categorize. Let's see if it has anything here. API process is the one, yes. And what does it take? Oh, that means it's considering the real functions. Yes, whatever you define the new method with the app decorator, it adds it to the doc once you reload it again. So I don't have to maintain this string then. The problem is, as you can see, I'm not using this structure anymore. I'm using something like this. Oh, that's nice. OCR text and then expense item. Let's try to find this expense item. Process HTML. Do I have process? What is the function name? So obviously this is process HTML request. Yep, this is the one. Parameters. How does it know? No parameters. Request body HTML string. How does it know? There are better comprehensive things to see what things it takes above. In the actual drop down, oh, 9 hours. Yeah, then I'm missing some context. How does it know about these? I didn't really define all those. Oh, okay. Here it is. Merchant, date, address. Okay. It knows because your GBT set. You're talking about this one? Merchant date tool item. Okay. Merchant date total item. Merchant. The address is not in a right format. Obviously, this is not what it considers. Let's try to remove it sometime. Okay, where is it? String. It still knows it. So probably convert. Is this the one it's trying to? No. No, I did not. I did not. I did not. So I was in my trip, so I had to do like a remote development while working. I wanted to have this application as fast as possible. So yeah, I did change a lot of structure. Like this is what I wrote. This was the previous process. We can see it. This is not what this is AI generated. But I added these few more fields. I added this items field all. Doing a refresh. Which function is this? Process HTML. Okay. And parameters, object body required. Success response 200, and this is the response. So I'm just curious. The docs page and re-question, I lost context. Okay. My main, how can I be reliable on this doc? So does it use the comments which I added here, or does it actually analyze the code and let's say it doesn't get it? Or probably I might need to add it here. Okay, text. Oh, I can see my keyboard too, man. That's nice. Okay, understood. So it doesn't rely on the docs. It actually does some processing. That's nice. That's nice. So these are all AI written code, but obviously I was adding some extra fields these myself. Obviously I asked the AI to like structure everything I want, like static typing, because I didn't enjoy the moment AI and Reddit was talking about use Python because that has like the first class support for Tesseract. I didn't wanted to use Python. Yeah, it's in the pedantic model. So you're talking about this one. Nice. Okay, it's 15 more minutes. Let's take a small break. I will join tomorrow. Does Fast API have DI built-in? What is it? DI built-in? For movie watching, this is awesome, dude. Imagine I just have to lay down like this and just wiggle around. But I think just having a few monitors up in this way is much more convenient. Having such a gigantic thing holding behind your head. Oh, dependency injection. Oh, dependency injection. Is there anything else you guys want to see? I don't know. This is my first time trying Fast API. I have no idea. I'm only using it because I was told I had to use. Oh, how many? Don't I have charging? How much do I have? 72. I need to buy this. So iconic. So let's be realistic. I don't think you can use it more than 1 or 2 hours. You start a bit of what do you call it, uncomfortable on your cheekbones. Obviously this thing is heavy, firstly, and then you have to move your head around. There is no eye tracking for this, so only this section is what looks much more clear, like 4K, almost 4K, but I cannot see this section until I turn my head around. So I mean, that's fine. You get used to it. Obviously it's a big screen, so you would move your head a little bit up and down. Yeah, but it's nice. For the price I paid, for the discount I got, it's nice. For the games, wonderful. Too much immersion. And you would see this much. The rest is all black, so I can see this much of my screen. Yes, buy some like big screen beyond, which is like a specs kind of a thing, but it has like a vision tracking and it's much more range of view. It doesn't really hurt your cheekbones, but it does hurt your wallet. So this is like what, $350. Obviously, we cannot really convert that to like INR because the amount might look big, but this much. But the thing is, this is, I got it for much cheaper. Normally it's 500 or 600. So the big screen, which is much more superior. So this is how it looks. This has like an eye tracking. So with this eye tracking, look at this price. Apple Provision, but there is no support for Windows or any other apps. It's not even for gaming at all, and it's not perfect too. Just look at the price, bro. So instead of buying this one, if you have that money to buy this one, then just get this one. This is a lot more cheaper than that. It has much better vision. It doesn't feel like you're watching a circle. I can only see this much. Rest is everything is black, but I can see until this big of a screen. So it's not bad. How can I move it away? See, it's not that charging as expected. Okay, guys, as it's almost dying, I'll see you guys in the next stream. I totally forgot I need to see my chat. Okay. Where is it? Okay, this thing is not aligning. Okay. Voila. I can get all my desktops now. What I would suggest is just get a like 3 monitor setup. Just have it like this. Much better. That's what I'm going to do next. Until then, see you again next time. Bye bye or bye bye. This is my mouse. Okay.